In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Dogecoin from Robinhood to another Dogecoin wallet. So the first thing you need to do is have a Robinhood account with Dogecoin on it, obviously. It's very easy to buy Dogecoin on here. I have other videos that will show you how to do that. If you sign up with the link in the description, you can get a free stock. So I have some Dogecoin here on Robinhood. You can scroll down and see your crypto balances. I have 42.51 Dogecoin on here, and I'm going to show you how to transfer that to another wallet. So I have this other wallet here with 827 Dogecoin on it. So we're going to move this Robinhood Dogecoin over to this wallet. So what we want to do is scroll down and tap send. It's going to bring us to this screen here where we can scan a code, or we can tap enter manually. From here, I'm going to paste in the address from this other wallet and tap continue. Now I can type in the amount of Doge that I want to send, or I can tap send all Doge. Then it's going to bring me to the transaction screen. It's going to say the network fee is 0.02 Doge, which is fine. And then I'm just going to tap submit. I'll need to put in the code from my authenticator app. You'll also have to do this if you use two-factor authentication. And then we're done. My transfer is on the way. We can scroll down now and see quantity 0, value 0. So this has all been transferred out to my other wallet. I can scroll down and view the transaction history, tap on Doge sent. This hasn't even made it to the processing stage yet, so it also hasn't showed up in my wallet yet, but this should happen pretty quickly, so I'll check back in a little bit and continue on with the video. Okay, it's actually been about 10 minutes. You can see my balance has increased here to 870. You can scroll down and see this pending transaction, but this should definitely be confirmed soon. So there you have it, how to transfer Dogecoin from Robinhood to another Dogecoin wallet. Make sure that this is a Dogecoin wallet and not a Bitcoin wallet or an Ethereum wallet or some other type of wallet. Dogecoin is its own blockchain and requires a Dogecoin wallet. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.